Stop complaining, start living, transform your perspective in 30 days. Complaining is easy. It comes naturally when life doesn't go the way we expect. Traffic jams, unfair bosses, stressful bills, broken relationships, every day presents us with reasons to complain. But here's the truth, complaining changes nothing. It doesn't solve problems, it doesn't make you stronger, and it doesn't create opportunities. All it does is keep you stuck in the same negative cycle. So, what if for the next 30 days, you made a commitment no more complaints? Instead of focusing on what's wrong, you shift your energy to what you can control, what you can learn, and what you can create. Day 1 begins with awareness. Notice how often you complain. You might be surprised. Most of us complain without even realizing it, about the weather, about people, about ourselves. The first step to transformation is catching yourself in the act. Each time you hear yourself complain, pause. Replace it with a statement of gratitude or action. For example, instead of saying, "This traffic is terrible," say, "I'll use this time to listen to an audiobook or reflect on my day." By day 7, you notice something changing. You begin to realize that complaints drain energy. They keep you focused on what's missing instead of what's possible. When you redirect that energy into solutions, gratitude, or action, life feels lighter. You feel more in control. By day 15, you'll encounter challenges. Negativity is contagious, and you'll be surrounded by people who still complain. But here lies your test. Instead of joining in, become the example. Instead of matching their energy, lift it. Share a positive perspective. Offer encouragement. Refuse to let their negativity drag you down. By day 21, you will notice how much stronger your mindset has become. You've rewired your brain to look for possibilities, not problems. Complaints no longer come out of habit, because gratitude has replaced them. You start to see opportunities where before you only saw obstacles. By day 30, you'll feel the full transformation. Complaining no longer controls your life. You've learned that challenges are part of growth, and gratitude is the key to peace. Your relationships feel better because you're not dragging others down with negativity. Your confidence has grown because you no longer see yourself as a victim of life, but as the author of it. This 30-day challenge is more than just breaking a habit. It's about reclaiming your power. Complaining puts control in the hands of others, but gratitude and action put control back into yours. So, here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to catching yourself before you complain. Replace every negative thought with gratitude, or a step toward a solution. Document your journey. Write it down. Share it. You'll be amazed at how much lighter, stronger, and happier you feel. Because life is too short to waste in complaints. You have one chance to live fully. Stop complaining. Start living. Transform your perspective. And in 30 days, you won't just see the difference, you'll feel it in every part of your life. Thanks for watching.